Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make hummus eggplant. First, select a medium-sized eggplant, about 1 pound, and prepare it for roasting. You'll want to achieve a smoky, tender texture, which is key to the dish's flavor. Next, we'll gather the remaining ingredients, including tahini, fresh lemon juice, and garlic. Finally, we'll blend everything together to create a wonderfully smooth and creamy dip, perfect for any occasion. The first crucial step is roasting your eggplant to perfection. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a medium-sized eggplant, weighing about 1 pound, and pierce it several times with a fork to allow steam to escape. Place it on a baking sheet and roast for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until it's completely soft and slightly collapsed. This process develops a deep, smoky flavor that is essential for delicious hummus eggplant. Now that your eggplant is roasted and cooled, it's time to assemble the hummus. Scoop the tender eggplant flesh into a food processor. Add 1/4 cup of tahini, which provides a rich, nutty base, along with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Don't forget 1 clove of minced garlic and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavors. Process all these ingredients until the mixture is wonderfully smooth and creamy, scraping down the sides as needed. Your delicious hummus eggplant is now ready to be served. Transfer the creamy mixture to a shallow serving bowl. Use the back of a spoon to create a beautiful swirl in the center, perfect for holding a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. For an extra touch of freshness and color, garnish with finely chopped fresh parsley or a sprinkle of vibrant paprika. Serve it with warm pita bread, fresh vegetables, or as part of a mezz platter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.